What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Oh, no. Kind of catchy. Snipe, snipe, Severus Snipe, 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 Severus Snipe.
Dumbledore!
Snipe, Severus Snipe.
Dumbledore!
Snipe, Severus Snipe.
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snipe,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snipe.
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Snipe,
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snipe.
Weasley!
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Hermione.
Ron!
Severus
Ron
Snipe.
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Ron!
Hermione.
Ron!
Hermione.
Ron
Hermione.
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry
Hermione.
Potter! Ooh,
Severus
Harry Potter!
Snipe.
Harry Potter!
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry
Hermione.
Potter! Ooh, Harry
Hermione.
Potter!
Hermione.
That's me.
Snipe! Harry!
Snipe.
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 Harry!
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Harry
Hermione.
Ron!
I'm Harry
Weasley.
Potter.
Dumbledore.
I'm Harry
Hermione.
Potter.
Ron
Harry
Weasley.
Potter. Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, oh Voldemort.
Thank you for watching, everybody! Look, I'm not actually naked. Go figure. If you want to see me do impressions of a bunch of different Harry Potter characters, including Potter Puppet Pals and Star Kid and the Harry Potter films, click the video right over there. There's also a link in the description, along with a link to, of course, Neil Ciceriga's original Potter Puppet Pals mysterious ticking noise. It's amazing. You've probably already seen it. And I'll see you guys next week with a brand new video. So, yep, that's really it. Okay, Dumbledore out! Oh god, I have beard in my eyeball and it is the most painful thing. Oh, and there's so many.